ฮือเราต้องเรียนภารกิจสาวบอกเล่นเนี่ยใช่ครับช่องเหรอวะไปไหนต่อ
What, huh? Always what?
What is this มีมันอะไรเลย
This looks like the one. Connor's getting time off for good behavior.
Hey, get away from there! No, no! It's emergency unlock! I can't override it! Patients can leave their rooms. This is your fault! You gotta help me!
I have to help you?
จะเป็นจะเป็น
You tased me, bro.
What the hell are you even doing here, Spider-Man?
Okay, Buddy, go back to your cell for nap time, all right?
Prevent the inevitable.
You know the score.
ดิจิตอล
Kids, keep coming.
And we're the ones locked up in here.
Aw, enough already.
You are.
You reap what you sow. Ready to give up?
I'm too much for you, huh? Right?
That didn't look pretty.
Better watch out because
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Spider-Man, take that corridor and turn left. I'll meet you there.
Hey, wait.
Guess he knows his way around this place. Time to get these guys in their cells and play nurse to the injured.
จะไปไหนต่อระดับดึกยอดดึกไอ้นี่
I thought you were one of them. They're everywhere. We need to help the others. They said this job would be easier. Don't hurt me! Oh God, no!
เย็น
If we're the only ones left. If we're the only ones left, does it mean it's all in my head? You're going down!
Peter, over here. I'll open the gate.
I thought it was done for.
Be careful. The place is being torn apart.
I hear you. Meet you up ahead?
I'll be there. I checked the security monitors. Looks like the corridor's clear.
Good. At least some of the doors are still locked. I'm getting tired of this circus.
System failure. Lock mechanism disabled.
Let's dance, Spider Boy. Get him! What is suit? Get some more. Take your best shot. Hey, look at what I did. You gonna fight me or what? Want a taste of your own medicine? Hurts me more than it hurts you! It's odd, you know. I checked the calendar again and the gates were not supposed to open today. We should have been visited by birds of fire. The ghost and the great puppet. Something's off. What? Why are you crying? I have nothing to do. You don't believe. Stop that! Dad will hear it and the blame will fall on me again.
Just stay there, pal.
Hold me down now. I am unleashed.
Sticky situation.
No more treatment. I've had enough. There.
No more?
Thought about a career in interior decorating?
He's the one who would talk smack behind your back. Here's the main attraction!
Hit the set!
Let's go!
อัปเกรดทักษะก่อนหน่อยละกัน
I think the situation is under control. It's time to leave.
You're right. My good deed quota's been filled. Let's give our goodbyes.
Good news. We're almost out. Once we clear the storage room, we'll be in the inner corridor.
Was there bad news, Doc?
Your time here has been beneficial to your mental health.
หมดแล้ว
And the spectacular Spider-Man frees the dashing damsel in distress. I'll thank you later.
Hey, come back! You know, you can thank me by getting back to your cell.
เอามือขึ้นไปยังไงเนี่ยอ๋อถูกแอร์แล้ว
I can't always get all the time out. You knock, knock! Be the first guy.
ต้อง
Yeah, go ahead. Coming at you. You need practice. I got you now. This little creep. I can't always get all the fun. You
Want a taste? You're going down! Take this!
talking smack behind your back.
แหลกวะเพื่อ
Seems like it's your turn to let me through.
ต้องแอร์อะไรต้องแอร์ซอยอยู่ทำไรมันสัก
Meet you on the other side.
ไปเวนกูโคตรฉลาดทำไรก็
Could you please ask them to stop shooting at me?
Hang on, Doc. I'm on it.
ต้องแอร์อยู่ไหนคือประเด็นของแอร์
We're the only ones left. Does it mean it's all in my head?
Look pretty.
You look like a statue.
And your point is? You better surrender now. You can get him if you want.
Kids, keep coming!
I don't care who wins now. I just need it to be over. We're the only ones left. Does it mean it's all in my head? I don't care who wins now. I just need it to be over.
You better than that.
Some more hurt!
Play basketball. With your head.
Go ahead and take him on. Take practice.
โอ้ยสไปเดอร์แมนกูแตกไม่ตึงเลยเกิดไปครับ
Seems like it's your turn to let me through.
other side.
Could you please ask them to stop shooting at me?
Hang on, Doc. I'm on it.
If we're the only ones left.
Keep looking at me like that! I dare you!
Ready to give up?
Screw you up!
Yeah! I'm too much for you, huh? You better surrender now! You go first. Yeah, go ahead. He's the one who hurts me more than it hurts you! Just you and me! He disappeared!
I see you now, Spider-Man!
I can't always get all the fun. You kill him. Over there. I win.
Get him! What is suit?
Knock, knock. Hurts me more than it hurts you. Yeah, go ahead. Ready to give up? You're going down!
Thanks, Pete. I thought we were done for.
It's a lot easier breaking in than breaking out.
Looks like everyone's breaking out.
Great. I'll have to deal with them later. Come on, Doc.
Where are we headed?
As much as I'd like to take a vacation, we need to get back to my apartment. Cops. Of course. Fasten your seatbelt, Connors.